Cool. Right on. All right, sir. Take care. Whatever house this is, Malaga Way. All right.
I'm sorry.
Hello, ma'am.
I'm
Can you control your dog
right now?
Can you control your dog?
Yeah, she's just sitting there.
Okay.
I just got back from getting her. I'm sorry, I'm not dealing with this right now. I'm going through a lot.
What are you going through? Here, ma'am, come out here for a minute.
No.
Yes.
No.
We gotta talk about something.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Ma'am, step out of the car. Hi, pup.
Someone stole my dog.
Someone stole your dog?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Do you
my
live here?
gates are closed. I went outside, still no gates are open. And she's not in the backyard.
Do you live here?
Yes, I own this house.
You own this house?
Yes.
Okay. Step out here for a minute.
Oh, come on. No,
Step
I
out of
didn't
the car.
do anything
Keep your
wrong.
hands in sight.
Get off
Officers
me.
attempted to contact her and remove her from the vehicle, but she was able to pull away, start her vehicle, and shift it into reverse. After reversing a short distance, she drove toward an officer who's positioned on the front lawn of the residence. She then turned her vehicle toward the officer and accelerated toward him. The officer was able to move out of the way and shot 7 times toward the suspect. His partner shot 3 times toward the vehicle.
Main 5 shots fired.
The suspect was able to flee eastbound on Malaga Way toward Aramon Drive as deputies scrambled back to their patrol vehicles.
Eastbound Malaga.
Fortunately, they were all unharmed.
Vehicle's going to be a white Dodge Challenger heading now southbound. Shots fired, shots fired. All officers are okay. Vehicle fled from us. It's a white female adult attached to the call.
The suspect evaded capture for approximately 15 minutes when an officer spotted her vehicle nearby on Folsom Boulevard and Routier Road. Officers conducted a felony vehicle stop and safely took her into custody.
Turn off the car! Turn off the car! Hey, turn off the car! Put your keys out the window! Go! Turn your car off! Turn off the car! Hey, dog coming up! Dog in the car! Dog in the car! Hey! Yeah, stay in traffic! Throw the keys out the window! Throw your keys out the window! PA! Turn your car off! Turn it off now! Hey, one at a time! One at a time! Hands up! Keys out of the car! Man starting your. Cars still mobile. Turn around! Turn around! Face away! Cool, cool. Cool. Don't come over to the left.